first flashed me, I can't call him back. When the president called me, I was shocked when I heard his voice. This is what I heard. Hello. Did I say Blaq? I said yes. He said, of course. I did a wonderful job here. And the boy that tried to stop you, I just quit and no jail. Blaq, how were you try for MC? Because I'm a president, I got lie. I said, Your Excellency, I do for 30 billion. Now he replied me, how much is the country? I was shocked. But this year, I want to talk about things that happened this year, but I don't have much time, so I'll just talk about two. This year, super amazing. But our problem is that some animal can't get money past human beings at some point. You know, say, some people can't witness the monkey at that point. Monkey can't get money past human being. And as musicians, if you are here, music is all about experience. Music is all about, trying to talk about things that are happening. Everybody is singing almost secretary, almost secretary. And music now, if you can switch countries, I wish that DJ Khaled can come to Nigeria and be a conductor in Oshoji. Yes, imagine DJ Khaled. Normally, no, DJ Khaled will be calm. Imagine being in Mushi and you see DJ Khaled just come to you. Oh shit. Wale, oh shit. This boss is going straight to Mushi. No stopping together. No stopping in Mushi. Straight to Mushi. You can't attack, I go say your money. You can't say your money. You can't say staff. You go call laugh. You're smart. You're loyal. I appreciate it. I'm gonna go back now. When I come back, somebody be now. Don't pay me my money. You can't bring to make money guy here. What's my name? DJ Khaled. You don't bandage the guy here, bandage the brand. The following day, I see DJ Khaled say, also that the guy goes start another one. So the music only change. Snake, they swallow things, and nobody is thinking about it. That's why I love Asha. If Asha in Nigeria now, Asha don't sing about snake and animal. Asha will just come say, yeah, snake swallowing things. So I have a new song. It's called Ejoabule Wanda. Are you ready? Asha will just come. Play. Asha, our backup just come from back. Can I have volume, please? You go see the backup from back. Let us fumigate Nigeria. Let's fumigate Nigeria. Low and small. Snake left the bush and went straight to jump. Monkey left the zoo and went straight to farm. 36 billion, 70 billion, you want go. Mommy, Ejoabule wa down. Hello, Kore, Bowa Soko. And you monkey abule wa down. Hello, Kore, Bowa Sile. She go come cry for you. Wakanda Elei Jamila Je. Bring it down. You go sit Abi. Now finally because my time is up. Next year, our president signed just not too young to rule. And it means that we as youth, we can run for president. I mean, I want to contest for local government chairman for our parliament. So it's a gradual process. You know, it means that youth can run. Then he called me. He said, Hey Blaq, I just appeal to the way here. How can I appeal to the youth? I said, Your Excellency, your campaign next year needs to be very, very musical. Carry the youth along. People are tired of waiting every issue. People want to see something fresh. So, Your Excellency, first of all, we need to work on your outfit. Remove this outfit, wear jeans. Sag the jeans. Wear black shades. Draw your cap for back. Change your name from Buhari to Bubu. How will you feel next year when you just say, ladies and gentlemen, coming on stage for the campaign 2019, it used to be Buhari, but the guys call him Harry, and the ladies call him Bubu. Put your hands together for the president. When I clap. You go see girls for back, play. You go see girls for back. The girls go just sit back. name is Boo. I want to apologize to Nigerians as babe. You go see the girls of back shout. It's your boy, Harry. Why do you go do verse 1? Okay, let me rap. Baby, I'm sorry. Please forgive me now. Show me a time, she never ran to see I never know. Baby, I'm sorry. Please forgive me now. Show me a time, she never ran to see I never know. This is Nigeria. Look how we live in now. Almost a kuchari, almost a kuchako, shaku with us. Shaku with us. You go see the girls about the shout. Give me a second chance. I want to repeat this class again. Am I going to do verse 2? I'm going to do verse 2. Let me do verse 2. I can't go here, I know it. Fashala, Lagos, Lagos, transmission, transmission, transportation. God bless you.